I was quoted $3,000 to paint correct my truck. So instead of spending the $3,000, I figured I'd save it and I'd do it myself, and here are the results. This is a 2017 F-250 Platinum, and it has never been enhanced, paint corrected, professionally detailed. Nothing other than a simple wash and a quick detailer, such as something like this, quick detailer. So the truck's going on 6 years old and it has 92,000 miles. I figured it was time. On top of that, it was completely covered in overspray. So yes, what I said in the beginning of the video was true. I did get quoted $3,000 for a 2-stage paint correction and a ceramic coating. $3,000. So last video on this truck was compounding phase. That was the first step. Now the second step is polishing, and then the third step would be ceramic coating. Now from about 5 foot, it looks freaking really good. After the compounding stage, the paint is cloudy. It's clean. There's not really any scratches left, but it's cloudy. So today we're going to hopefully solve that with the polishing phase. This is a Rupes Fine Polish Yellow. We have Perfect Finish, and we have Rupes Yellow. So we're gonna test this. Harbor Freight, oh buddy. Prime the pad. Pack this stuff up. Pack a dip! Little much, little much. Dang it! It's looking deep, it's looking deep. I took the lazy way and I didn't put tape on the thing, so now I got stuff on this thing, you know? I'm gonna grab a new towel. I don't know, I just feel like this one's dirty. Oh, sweet baby. This is what I'm talking about on cloudiness. You can see I just did a pass right here on the center of the hood. And I mean, that's deep, looking deep. And then you can see right where I stopped on how it goes like super cloudy. Dude, this thing's gonna look freaking sick. Perfect example of, you know, compounding stage to polish stage, the difference. All right guys, so I wrapped up the polishing stage and I'm gonna tell you right now, it looks freaking good. This is actually the first time I've ever went this deep into a paint correction or any type of detailing like this. Very impressed. A little bit of research and the right product will get you a long way. Very, very simple lineup of products. During my research on what products I was gonna use for this thing, let me tell you, you can get a little crazy with the products. End result is about 75% scratch removal and the paint is freaking deep. It looks good. So several people have stopped by the shop and they literally have come in here and they're like, oh my goodness, what did you do to your truck? It looks so freaking good, man. The last thing left is literally those stone chips. I know, like, hearing stories, everyone was so scared to burn through the paint, especially on something like this with all these hard edges. You're gonna burn through, don't do that, you're gonna burn through the thing. The worst thing about this whole thing was how long it took. So if you have the time to do it, do it. Also, freaking check this out. We have an absolute mint cherry red bed for the single cab. If you guys caught the last upload on the single cab when we got that beat up old Ford Power Stroke deal, premium beds here, like the nicest bed I've ever seen. But all right guys, thanks for tuning into the polishing video. That's literally all the product I use. If you have any questions on what exactly, I don't even know what questions you'd have, it's very simple. I'll put all the products to like an Amazon link or something in the description, so if you guys want to try to tackle this yourself, go for it. Next video will be coating. We're gonna do ceramic coating. I'm gonna do it all myself. I'm gonna wing it, never done that before. We're gonna wreck that, we're gonna ruin the paint now. But yeah, that should be interesting. But all right guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Top Garage family. We are gonna coat the thing next video, so stay tuned for that. And then we're gonna turn this into a full paint shop here. We're gonna be painting a single cab red Power Stroke. So I apologize for me holding the mic all video because I broke my other one, and this one, I don't know, I taped it to my shirt and it was like scratchy. So I gotta figure out how to tape this to my shirt so it doesn't get scratched. So it doesn't sound, so the audio isn't all scratchy. But pumped with the truck so far. We'll see you on the next one. Still got the mic in my hand, so you can probably hear me pretty clear. Truck looks sick. Pretty pumped. Pumped on the truck. And I also have the CTSV out today. Oh man, is that car sick.